Hi guys, Mrs. Hawes here for another exciting scavenger hunt in the art virtual classroom here at Mrs. Hawes' house. You see it in the picture here, I have presented to you a color wheel. I am proposing a challenge today. If you're seeing it on my Google sites or Showbie or Seesaw, you saw me put up my example. Here's your task today. You are going to do a scavenger hunt for everything in your house to create a color wheel, trying to find an object that uses every one of these colors that you see on this picture. See what you can find. Make a color wheel with objects around your house. Snap me a picture and send it to me. Let me see how creative you are. Try not to use art materials like markers, colored pencils. Those are easies. Do a scavenger hunt through lots of other things in your house. Are you ready? Set, go do a color wheel. See you soon.